The work of teacher can. The note on a workday. What have trouble with work about children who are in their own responsibility. Then the problem were reflect idea for the course and how to fix the problem is issues. It is the start of the child crying because in the area reopening came to live with danger. That means teacher and friend, children will feel that this task is the child must adapt to the environment. Two friend and teacher had to offer. Children have to adapt as quickly as it can be. You can play with friends and do something like friends do. When children are born, teachers feel warm and safe and they are with their parents at home. Children will begin to accept the agreement. The regulation. Another problem is the personal business such as urine. Fled into the bathroom to take off panty or underwear before going to the bathroom. After using the toilet, children learn new child feel afraid and did not dare to tell you. To tell my teacher, children need to urinate or defect. You prone touch, removing all where is at will. Parenting. Parents at different children have a parent tending to help themselves. Incoming students will be able to do by yourself, but if the child is at home to help that parent at all time. You upon admission, you also cannot help themselves. Teachers need to be trained as gradually change the behavior of the child and so on. Then the child, the gradually absorb, learn how to help themselves. Another problem is that children to do drink milk because at cost to at home drinking tea, milk powder and milk feeding. The school will drink all the milk packing in plastic bag. Teacher needs encouragement and give the child time to adjust the habit of drinking milk. Should not be last. First, you should make children familiar with the taste of milk first by training the children who do not drink milk to drink per day. Increase a little bit each day. You can drink it out of the bag. Another problem is that health problem makes frequent stop learning. The season change say that change every day as the water is very hot. Very yesterday, today, tomorrow, rainy weather, all climate change within one day. The morning cold when it's hot, like it was a rainy afternoon, but children do not yet meet with some adults in the weather, still feeling sad. Fever heated, fever no sorrow elsewhere, but for children immunity is low. Parents and teachers need to pay attention more special. Every problem has a solution. Parents and teachers must work together to help solve the problem of children outcome. Problem at school, teachers should take issue directly to inquest about the male domination to find ways to help solve them on the spot. Should open up and allow the children passing and inquiring. Children is important. The children have to learn in the school itself.